Sending money to Sri Lanka with Remitly is a solid option for supporting loved ones back home. In this video, we'll walk you through how it works, the delivery options available, cost considerations, and tips for getting the best value. First, how it works. You'll start by creating a Remitly account, either on the web or in the app. Choose Sri Lanka as the destination country, enter the amount you're sending in your local currency, then select how your recipient in Sri Lanka will receive the funds, such as a bank deposit. Next, you'll enter your recipient's details, name as on ID, bank account number, and bank name, and choose your payment method, such as debit card, credit card, or bank transfer. Before you confirm, you'll see the exchange rate offered and any fees. Once sent, you can track the transfer in real time in the app. When sending to Sri Lanka via Remitly, you'll usually have options like bank deposit for recipients with a Sri Lankan bank account. Remitly supports many sending countries into Sri Lanka and offers first-time sender promotions, such as no fees, or a special rate for the first transfer. So, if you're new to Remitly, you may get a better deal on your first remittance. Delivery time can vary. Some transfers may arrive quickly if you pay with certain methods. Others might take a little longer. It's always wise to check the delivery estimate shown before you complete your transaction. In terms of cost and exchange rate, Remitly shows you what your recipient will get in Sri Lankan rupees and what you're paying. For example, when sending from Australia, there are promotions like no fee on first transfer up to a certain amount into Sri Lanka. However, as with all money transfer services, you need to watch for the spread on the exchange rate, the difference between the mid-market rate and the rate you get. One comparison showed the USD to LKR rate from Remitly had a small markup over the mid-market rate. So even with no fee, you may not be getting the absolute best rate. Here are some of the strengths of using Remitly for Sri Lanka. It's user-friendly, you can track your transfer, and it supports direct bank deposits, which is convenient if your recipient has a local Sri Lankan bank account. The first-time sender deals can give you excellent value. On the watch-out list, if you send frequently, you may not always receive the promotional rates, and payment method matters. Credit card or fast payment may cost more. Also ensure you input recipient's details exactly: name, bank account, etc., because any mismatch could delay or pause the transfer. If you choose a slower payment method or a less supported bank, delivery might take longer. A few tips to get the best out of Remitly for Sri Lanka. 1. Check which payment methods, debit card, bank transfer, are available for your sending country. 2. Compare the total cost, including both fee plus exchange rate markup. 3. Make sure the recipient's bank is supported and you have the exact account details. 4. Consider sending during a promotion if you're a first-time user, or keep an eye out for referral deals. In conclusion, if you need a reliable way to send money to Sri Lanka and your recipient has a bank account there, Remitly is a strong option, especially if you're a new user and can use one of the no-fee promotions. Just be sure to review the rate and method before sending. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss more international money transfer guides and tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.